Hi there, this is me. So ayan guys, isa na namang napakasimpleng sketch po ang ating gagawin sa ngayon. Ito po ay isang koala. The koala is a very small bear-like marsupial. The name koala in Aboriginal language means no drink. The koala scientific name is Pascolarctos cinereus. The koala has a thick woolly, furry coat which protect it from the weather. It can also be a raincoat. The koala has a fur which is gray to brown with a white chest. It has a furry ears. The koala's bottom is a cushion that protects the koala's other body parts from sharp objects. The habitat refers to the types of bushland that koalas like to live in. They are found in the range of habitats from the coastal island with tall gum trees to low woodlands. Koalas today are found in Queen Islands, New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia. So ayan guys, patapos ng ating pag-i-sketch. Ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa walang sawang panonood nyo sa aking mga simpleng sketches. So ayan guys, tapos na nga po. Maraming salamat. Bye bye. Thank you.